哇，龙卷雨火结的好深！完了。
Bad weather hit several areas in China again in April 2023, especially in the Yunnan region of China, where devastating hailstorm hit various places and caused devastating impacts on local residents.
哇，老铁们，这雨越下越大了！
真的，我操，从来没见过下这么大的雨。
Hailstones the size of eggs battered several areas in southwest China on Monday night, leaving a trail of destruction. Residents in Zhenxiong, Zhaotong City in Yunnan province are facing ruin after a freak thunderstorm led to a sudden downpour of icy hail at about 7 p.m. local time. Residents in Zhenxiong, Zhaotong City in Yunnan province are facing rain after a freak thunderstorm led to a sudden downpour of icy hail at about 7 p.m. local time. The huge ice pellets hammered the village, destroying homes, roofs, and windows.